Hello, welcome to my channel, Speak English with Ms.Cicilia. This video is for you who want to practice English conversations and for you who want to refresh your English speaking skills. Perhaps you have stopped learning the language and you want to start practicing it again. Alright, so I provided some random questions and answers for you to practice. So are you ready? Alright, these are just random questions and answers, and the answers are just possible responses. That means there might be some other possible answers to the question. Let's start. Question number 1. How is your day? It's great. Fantastic means very good. Terrible, very bad. Bad. How long have you known each other? Not long. 5 months, I guess. Teenagers. That means you have known each other for a long time. What kind of business are you in? So this asked about the field of work you are in. Education, technology, art, or else. What color is your house? It's blue. It's red. It's yellow. What do you do for a living? This question asks about your job. I'm a teacher. I'm a musician. I'm a lawyer, or others. What do you think of the movie? It's just okay, so that means not good, not bad either. Good. Fantastic. Not really good. Terrible. What does your friend look like? Asking about the description. She's tall. She has short black hair, or others. What have you been doing? So this asked about what are you busy with lately? I'm busy teaching. I'm busy working with art, working with numbers, working with children, or else. Okay, now let's practice. I'm going to ask you the questions, you give me the answers. Alright, let's start. How is your day? Very good. How long have you known each other? What kind of business are you in? I see. What color is your house? Interesting. What do you do for a living? All right. What do you think of the movie? Okay. What does your friends look like? I see. What have you been doing? Interesting. Well done. Now you ask me the questions. I will give you the answers. Right? Ready? You ask the questions. I will answer it. It's great. 5 months, I guess. Education. Yellow. I'm a teacher. It's just okay. She's tall. I'm busy teaching. Well done. So keep practicing these simple conversations, asking, questioning, then answering. All right. So, uh, you know, learning a language is not a destination, but a journey. So I hope you will keep practicing, and practicing, because I believe if you do so, then your English speaking skills will improve. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.